do something. Give it to them track 11. Let's go. Everybody now. Let's go like this. Yeah, let's go like this. Let me see your hands again. Like this now. Everybody now. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. Let's go. Ah. Shabby, you know you do me something. Something. Shabby, you know you make me follow. Softly shake your ginger. Make my softly shake my trombone. You're not took me by surprise. You can see it in my eyes, and I've come to realize it's a fact that I can't deny. Oh my, oh my, oh my. You they make me lose control. Everybody stop. Everybody go. I say we got that. I say you really got that. Baby, we got that. I say open the door. Show me the way. I say we got that. Baby, we got that. Baby, we got that. I say open the door. Show me the way. My African lady, my beautiful baby, your front and behind you, you're beautiful body, and you're my body, baby. Hey, you took me by surprise. You can see it in my eyes, and I've come to realize it's a fact that I can't deny. Oh my, oh my, oh my. You can make me lose control, but you're not gonna give me. Open the door, show me the way. I say we got that. I say we got that. Baby, we got that. We got that. I say open the door, show me the way. I say we got that. Baby, we got that. We got that. We got that. Listen now. Yeah. See, yeah. Hey, baby, what's funny? Yeah. Hey, see, yeah. I find this, yeah. See, everybody look like yeah. Hey, listen. Wanna see you move that thing, mama? Wanna see me shake that thing, mama? Wanna see you run the long, mama? Wanna see you rock and dance, mama? And if it is so, I don't want you. Yeah. Come on. I said, hey. I said, open the door, show me the way. Baby, please, I said, open the door, show me the way. Are you ready now? Cameroun! One more time, we're gonna let that go. Simple, complex, simple. Everybody now, let's go. Complex, simple. Love today, love tonight. Love today. Simple, complex. 1, 2, hey. I say you got that. I say open the door. Show me the way. And right about now, finally, Cameroun. You know what? Before I did this remix, you know. You know what, man? I want to know how many of you know their shower song. I want to know the best person that can sing a shower. No. Hey. Sorry. Bring him my one name. Bring him. Bring him up, man. Bring him up, man. Bring him up, I want to see him, man. That's so... No, I need to bring him up. Bring him down, bring him up. Bring him up, bring him up. Yeah. All right. No, bring him. All right, listen now. You know how to sing a shower. You're gonna do it for us. I have a gift for you now. All right, do it. Now it's called a cappella. Mr. Flavour, what yes, and I shower release. Come on, my baby, give me fire, my baby, give me fire, my baby, give me fire, my baby. Hey, I don't go. Lisa Mala Banapa. Oh, Nyoli, the Burukado, the Burukadia, baby, fire to go. Yes, sir. Can I have a CD for him now? And you know this? This is for him. Let me see you now like this now. Thank you. Mr. Flavour officer. Yes, you can. Alright, listen now. I need a girl. No. Hey. Call him now. Bring out. No. Bring out now. Come on now. Bring out. Yes, so. Hey. All right. Come on. Sorry, bring out. Let's go! Cameroun! And you know what? You want to see? Yes, sir! Can I have one? Yeah, first of all, you know what? I'll give you this one now. Go with it. Let's do good one. This is for you. And also this is for you.